Power cycle. Unplug the Fire TV stick and TV from the power outlet. Wait a few seconds and plug them back in. Remote restart. If the remote's restart command isn't working, unplug the Fire TV stick to force a restart. Secure connections. Ensure the HDMI cables are firmly connected to both the Fire TV stick and the TV. Try a different port. If possible, try plugging the Fire TV stick into a different HDMI port on the TV. HDMI cable damage. Inspect the HDMI cable for any damage and replace it if necessary. Correct input. Use your TV's remote to select the correct input that corresponds to the HDMI port where the Fire TV stick is plugged in. Check for updates. Go to Settings greater than My Fire TV, greater than About, greater than Check for updates on the Fire TV stick. Power cycle. Unplug the rotor and modem. Wait a minute or two, then plug them back in, starting with the modem. Wireless interference. If the Fire TV stick is struggling to connect to the internet, try moving it closer to the router or using a Wi-Fi extender. Troubleshooting. If none of the above steps work, contact Amazon support for further assistance. Check batteries. Ensure the remote's batteries are fresh. Power source. Make sure the Fire TV stick is plugged into a power outlet, not a TV's USB port. Remove other HDMI devices. If possible, temporarily remove other HDMI devices to see if the issue is related to a conflict.